welcome to my vlog! So today we're going to interview a professional teacher who's been in her career for a decade. So let's go!
Teaching is more than just a profession. It's a calling, a passion, and a journey of lifelong learning. Every day is a chance to inspire, to guide, and to shape the future. But what does it take to be an effective teacher? What are the challenges, the rewards, and the secrets to keeping students engaged? Join me as we explore the heart of teaching, uncover the passion behind the profession, and hear insights that every educator and future educator needs to know. Let's dive in.
Sir,
Hi, good evening.
can I ask you some question po?
Yes, of course.
So sir, what's inspired you to become a teacher?
I was inspired to become a teacher because of my passion in learning and my desire to help students to unlock their full potential. Seeing how a great teacher can impact a student life motivate me to pursue this path.
So sir, what's the most rewarding part of your job?
The most rewarding part of teaching is seeing your student grow, gain confidence, and achieve their goal.
How do you handle challenges in the classroom like unmotivated students?
I approach unmotivated student by first understanding the root of their disengagement. I use personalized encouragement, interactive activities, real life application to spark their interest.
What teaching strategies do you find the most effective for students' engagement?
I find active learning strategies such as collaborative group work, problem-solving tasks, hands-on activity to be highly effective.
What advice would you give to aspiring teachers?
My advice to an aspiring teacher: teaching is challenging, but the impact you have on student lives is worth it. Keep learning, stay positive, and never lose sight of why you choose this profession.
Thank you, sir, for your time and effort.
You're welcome.
Bye guys! Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. And don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Bye, yours!